What are the key differences of Arctic landscape versus Antarctic landscape? What are the key differences between Arctic landscapes and Antarctic landscapes? Both regions are fascinating, yet they are distinct in many ways. Let's break it down. First, consider their geographic composition. The Arctic is primarily an ocean basin surrounded by land, including parts of 8 countries. It features drifting sea ice, flat ice plains, and coastal tundra. On the other hand, Antarctica is a continent entirely covered by ice, surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Beneath its thick ice sheet, you can find mountain ranges, valleys, and even active volcanoes. Next, let's talk about ice characteristics. The Arctic has thinner, seasonal sea ice that floats on the ocean. Multi-year ice is becoming rare due to climate change. In contrast, Antarctica boasts a massive ice sheet that averages over 1,600 meters thick, containing about 90% of the world's ice. Its surrounding sea ice expands and retreats seasonally but does not mix with the land ice. When it comes to terrain features, the Arctic includes low-lying coastal plains, glacier-carved fjords, and permafrost. Antarctica, however, hides mountain ranges like the Transantarctic Mountains and subglacial lakes. Some areas, like the McMurdo Dry Valleys, are ice-free deserts with exposed bedrock. The climate also varies greatly. Antarctica is colder, drier, and windier, with temperatures dropping below -80 degrees Celsius. The Arctic has milder winters, around -40 degrees Celsius, and experiences more variable weather due to its connection to northern landmasses. Wildlife and vegetation differ significantly as well. The Arctic supports tundra vegetation, migratory birds, and land mammals like polar bears. In contrast, Antarctica has no native land mammals or trees. Life there is mainly found along the coasts, with penguins and seals being prominent, while microscopic life exists within the ice. Human presence is another key difference. The Arctic is home to indigenous communities, research stations, and seasonal settlements. Antarctica has no permanent residents, only temporary scientific bases. For tourism, Arctic experiences often focus on wildlife safaris, cultural exchanges, and fjord expeditions. Tours in Antarctica emphasize iceberg vistas, historic exploration sites, and unique geology. Both regions requiring specialized ice-strengthened ships, but Arctic trips offer more land-based access. Antarctic visits are largely ship-centric due to its remoteness. In summary, the Arctic's ocean-centered ice and interconnected ecosystems contrast sharply with Antarctica's isolated, continent-scale ice sheet. These differences shape everything from wildlife habitats to human activity, providing distinct experiences for travelers.